If you own or work for a business, you know how important data is to making informed decisions. But what happens when your data systems become outdated or in need of an upgrade? One of the biggest problems our clients are facing today is accessing data. They often spend more time just accessing and cleaning data instead of utilizing time getting to analysis and gaining insights. That's where data modernization can help. By modernizing your data strategy, you can collect, store, and analyze data more efficiently and accurately, which will help you gain better insights and make data-driven decisions. This will give your organization a competitive advantage in the marketplace by being able to innovate faster, optimize operations, and provide better customer experiences.
So how do you get started? When you can't see the forest through the trees, the Converge Data Modernization Workshop is the perfect first step to kickstart your analytics journey. The workshop is designed to be a planning tool that helps your business stakeholders and technical staff gain a deeper insight into the current condition of your data estate, as well as identify those key considerations you need to know before introducing any data-related changes into your environment. The ask from you, our customer and partner in this activity, is only for a half-day time investment, which is over a few workshop sessions where our data experts will help to draw out aspirations and balance with feasibility by guiding your team through a review of existing data architecture, infrastructure, and cloud platforms to help diagnose the current state of your business. Once we have that firm understanding on your data landscape and its impact on your business today, both good and bad, we'll conduct strategic and technical discussions with your team in order to identify that clear path forward on the future state of your organization's data ecosystem. You'll come out of the workshop equipped with a better understanding of those key considerations you need to know before embarking on that data modernization journey. This includes an executive summary and presentation that outlines the key observations that will isolate potential next steps. There's not a one-size-fits-all, but the outcome of the workshop could include evaluating new technologies to alleviate the data pain points acknowledged in our working sessions, or maybe it's going directly into a proof of concept on existing or new technologies based on the agreed future data estate outlook. Data can be hard, so don't make it any more difficult, and let us help you gain the clarity that you need to turn that wealth of data that you're sitting on today into actionable insights. To get started, book your free 30-minute discovery call with us and let us help you start your data modernization journey on the right foot with Converge.